Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON G7. In this video I'll show you how to change driving mode. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got this switch. Switch it between auto, 2H, 4H or 4L. H and L means high and low. In four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive vehicles, these are transfer case settings for power distribution and gear ratios. 4H engages all four-wheel in high-range gears for better traction on slippery surfaces like rain, snow, gravel, or moderate off-road at highway speeds. 4L powers all four wheels in low-range gears, multiplying torque for slow, high-pull scenarios such as steep inclines, towing in mud, or rocky terrain. Stop or slow to nearly idle before shifting into it. You can also select Auto for automatic switch. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.